Today we're going out for my dad's birthday, and he wanted to go up on the boat today, so we're taking out the big old center console, and we're going to be tossing it out into the Patuxent River, and we're hopefully going to catch some biggest for the birthday. I mean, let's just pray for the best, a nice, beautiful day, so all we can say is let's catch them.
Yes, sir. Oh, we got another fish. Yo, get that one. Hell yeah. Can I get him? I don't think I will.
I hope it's small.
Oh my God, it's nice.
I missed them.
And Logan, Dylan missing my fish. Dude, it's a nice one.
You want pulls, man? Dad, you're pulling.
Logan, reel in your rod. Logan, reel in your rod. Reel it in. Drop your chicken, dude.
Put the chicken down.
Reel him in. Coming in quick.
Which one? One?
Net, get net. Yeah, all right. I ain't using this first fish of the day. Yeah. Get that boy in here. Yeah. Did you bring him on a boat, dude? Darn that slack current.
That's bullshit. Why are you?
Oh, he got a leash on him, yo. Ugh. What the hell is that thing? Get off my man. There we go.
That's dinner.
That's a nice fish.
Is it a minor? I feel like it.
I don't know, they all just fat.
Why do you feel I wish I could understand catfish.
That would be awesome.
Going over it now.
They like that stuff.
Alright, buddy. Damn.
You ain't eating them?
You want them? Is that what you want for dinner?
No.
You want to go out to eat or eat that fish?
I want to go. I think she's pregnant for some reason.
We're going to retrieve. That's the only dog we get.
Oh, Claire got one.
Oh yeah. Right when she cast near the bank, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let her go up. Leave that thing up.
You eating that?
I don't fucking know.
That's a nice channel. Here, be careful. Careful, that hook is very weak. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got him. That's a really nice channel.
Fishy.
Yeah. Perfect eater type.
That's a perfect eating channel.
Like all fish.
You put your head right next to it, Claire. I'll slap you.
No. Oh, no.
She was moving to it.
Now I have to kiss it for good luck.
Yeah, oh my God. Why are all these fish sitting all over the place?
That's shit.
Nah, bro, it's chocolate.
Yeah, Clay, eat it. It's
I cannot get it out. It's a little hook.
I need to cast back over there. That was kind of hard to reel in.
There it is. Yeah, kids, for good luck.
Life isn't anymore big.
Then we got a fish. You gotta pipe down on the music. We got coming up. What the hell? Catfish. At first I thought it was a big ass white perch. Ain't gonna lie.
Fish is it?
We'll take it. Look at Logan's giant head.
Why is that happening?
No. I didn't know how to fish.
Are you happy?
Yeah. What the fuck?
I got a fish.
Let me see, I can see. Far away. It's a catfish. I can tell. Told you.
Bro, you ain't know that. You're just guessing because that's all we caught so far.
How you know? How you know, buddy? That was my secret. You need to catch a cookie. Dude, I need to pee right now. Just the baddest way.
See ya, buddy.
No, I ain't think it for a little bit.
And it was a first. Jeez.
Damn you! This was gonna make my dick get bigger.
What is wrong with this kid? Logan, what's wrong with you?
Ah, he swallowed my hook. You can't get out.
What is up with you?
Shit, my dick didn't go yet. What are you doing to the fish?
What do you mean?
Just
I missed a big hit.
got it.
It's a perch.
Oh my lord. Look at that thing.
Off the back. I caught him.
You got another one? The fuck?
That's what we need right there. Some
Yeah,
perch.
and he swallowed my hook again. He a monkey.
Which way he has?
That one? Yeah, you see my golly. Hey, that one put
First,
my
now we have the two of them. Oh yeah. Hear that? Cold board on a Friday night, Logan.
No, Holly's on dance floor back home.
Oh yeah, got a perch.
my bigger.
Oh, you on the side?
my bigger.
He thinks it's so funny.
Yeah, my bigger.
Why is that so funny to you?
Both of my bigger.
Why are we up to that, dude? All you gotta do is give me a gun and I'll shoot.
Good.
Make sure those fish stay in the corner. Dylan, there's one more behind you.
Up right there.
Yeah, we're cooked. Very cooked.
I got one.
At the same time, Chloe got a fish.
Fuck yeah, fuck this ring. Okay, it's not even big, but it's still got a fish.
Whew, got a little chilly.
I won.
Come on, please be a perch.
It is. I can feel
Oh
it.
man.
What the fuck? Hey, Dad.
Oh, here it comes.
Dad, hurry. Hurry.
How are you with no shirt on? Oh hell no.
Hurry.
Oh, here it is. Yep.
My phone! Yes!
Yeah, we gotta keep this stuff dry.
Your phone.
Oh, my phone, I forgot about it.
Where's my
Hey, that
phone?
thing's
I
blinking.
didn't, but my pole, there's a fish on there.
Does it always do that?
Yeah, it's fine.
There's a fish on my pole.
Oh my god, it's freezing.
Then you can put one of those dragons in a box.
Florida.
Georgia.
Florida.
Where would you want to go, JJ?
Florida.
Except Florida. LA.
Oh. He is
Double.
a croaker.
Get the fucking shit away from me.
Huh,
But that's the first.
Well, technically a spot. It got a spot on him. That's what's up.
Yeah.
You got one?
No, $10 for you to jump in.
Can you make that 600?
That's 600. Oh, you don't talk it down. 10 for you to jump in.
80?
Even a nice fish. Another one of the little cats.
Oh, yeah.
Can't complain.
Why there's so many?
Oh, that's with the Death Finder.
JJ laughing on the job.
Oh yeah. Come on, fishy. That's gonna be another one of them cats, ain't it?
Wait, Dad.
Yeah.
We actually found a hole.
We found a whole of them. See how many we can bring in. So, but they are warm fish.
They're all gangbanging down there.
Hey, I wonder what it is.
Yeah, there's something wrong with Dylan, guys.
Alright,
I don't know what's on bro's mind except for that.
get wet.
The fish. I feel like I'm reeling in like a 20 pounder. Not really, probably like a 10. Yeah, we're in a hole of just these things. There's hundreds of them.
Oh, my main shirt is wet.
Hell yeah.
Dude, feel heavy.
Shoot, we need the pliers.
This weighs like 100 pounds. Look, feel how heavy that
I
is.
just jumped in the water.
See ya.
Oh, I feel a lot better.
Dude, there's gonna be so much footage. Yeah, I go. Oh, I got one, yo. Reel it in. Come on, man.
That's fun.
I had to hook the set, man. Said to hook the set, man. Same word.
Oh, he's not right.
Alright, well, I'll call you back.
Number 89, practically. They just keep on coming in. Jesus. Endless amounts of them.
Why are so many of these things out there? It's kind of a bad thing. It's a real bad
There's a
thing.
lot of them. Right by this power plant. Something. Oh shit, yo, I talk about some females. Look at me bringing a fish. Yeah. Oh, that's a little bit bigger out of the ones that are in here.
Yeah. And get my goddamn hook out.
Oh, calm it down, mate. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, I said, get my goddamn hook out.
Yeah, watch your mouth.
Yeah, watch your mouth.
God
You're
damn.
trying to make it sound better.
Bro, try to set it a little bit different, but like, nope. It's fine.
We're still here. There's still a lot of work to do.
Okay, so we have to hurry up.
Oh my god, I can't get it out.
Dad, do you want to go on Golden Crow? Huh? Do you want to go on Golden Crow?
Dubs.
Do you break it?
I mean, like, close it. It's all the way. You don't know me that with girls.
Oh yeah. Bite it. Be a good boy. Oh yeah. There we go. This time I ain't lose them.
I thought catfish don't like them.
Oh, what the heck is going on? Can you see little veins in that thing?
Hey, Dad! Don't rob my money. Hold on to it. I want them to get wet and pockets wet.
Oh, I broke his lip a little bit.
My freaking
Poor guy, bro. We'll give you kisses.
Damn. I'm a little old.
Man, I don't think no got any more ice. It's freaking a lot.
I told you because I was getting in and off the boat.
Oh, come on.
No, JJ!
I'm watching. Is it on there?
Oh, why did you get on that?
Yeah, he's on there. Thank.
They don't like me.
It's small. Like, this thing's probably very small.
I got hit on my sunfish, but I can't see because of Logan.
Man, it's going nuts.
Me, kid!
Look at that
It was
thing.
not. I was hit.
It's another alright one. Took my bait this time.
Stop looking and get your stuff done.
There we go.
What the hell was that?
What the fuck's coming out of his ass?
Eggs.
Bro, it is not eggs. It's his stomach, bro.
What?
You know what? You can figure that shit out yourself. You can figure that shit out. Nope. That was something. Oh shit. Now.
JJ.
Oh, hold on. Oh shoot.
Double?
Oh, shoot, I got one too, Logan. Oh, no, I don't. I had one. Sorry, though. Logan got one. What in the world happened
Oh
here?
no, he's tangled.
Can I get it to pop up my finger? Nope. Ah! My bad, I almost got your eyeball gang. I'm trying not to get his whisker. There you go. See ya.
Can you pitch my bait, please?
Be alright.
Alright. Hey, that's Papa.
No, get it, it's a fish.
Damn, what he did? Is it dead weight?
Oh, so you jumping? Those blame it on one ball bearing, bro. Just reel in the fish. It's not that deep. Well, I just had a hit. That's what's up. Bro, struggling.
Timu rod.
It's not bad.
Is that actually a Timu rod? No.
No, but his hook's about to be from Timu. Break. Top of your head, bro. That's all I'm saying.
You don't hear the banger song playing right now?
I gotta go and watch it. Oh, I actually have
Yo,
one.
what are you doing?
I actually have one.
Yo, she got one too, yo. Whoa, whoa, about bust my ass.
Hello.
Yo, is his name Timmy?
His name's Timmy Chenna. You might have a concussion.
These hooks are for real from T-Mail. Yo, I got another one! I just caught another one, guys! Look at him! My second one in the first video!
It's hit!
Bro, where the hell is the pliers?
In Dylan's
I
hand.
caught another one, guys! This is my third one in the same video!
That is a good one. Oh, I saw that hole!
Bro, watch y'all's mouth. I need a shotgun for those birds, you feel me?
Oh my god,
It's
my
a bird activist gonna be.
I'm gonna let it
Alright, I finally got the GoPro working.
I had Taco Bell last night. I played diarrhea.
Bro, don't mind Dylan. Oh my god, all that working is gone! No, y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand, man. I was waiting for that fish for like 30 seconds, messing with the GoPro. And bro's gone. While dealing with this man trying to eat worms. This man's eating chicken. That man eating soggy chicken skin. Everything's out of whack. Alrighty, boys. I think we got another fish on. If there is a fish, you guys smash subscribe because I'm built different. Alright, let's just check. Oh my god, I got a fish. Got his giant fish, bro. Oh yeah, look at that fishy, bro. I can promise y'all I never saw this fish before.
Bro totally did it just, radio?
See, bro, just caught this fish.
GoPro was not on any.
Oh shoot.
Okay.
Oh my, it popped off again. I'm done.
What?
Fuck this, bro. I'm eating this fucking chicken.
That's nice. I'm dry.
I bet. When you catch a fish, they don't give a fuck.
I know it don't give a fuck.
See? Don't matter, man. Come fish. Come on, man.
What you say?
Show fish. You look.
You know what we're doing?
Alright, you can deal with that shit. I'm eating my chicken, boys. Y'all want some chicken? I got some chicken. W chicken, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, we got another fish. Yo, get that one. Hell yeah.
Can I get them? How do I do?
I hope it's small.
Oh my god, it's nice.
I missed them.
And Logan Dylan missing my fish. Dude, it's a nice one.
You want poles move? Dad, you're pulling.
Logan, reel in your rod.
pull.
Logan, reel in your rod. Reel it in. Drop your chicken, dude.
Put the chicken down.
Reel him in. Coming in quick.
Which one?
Net, get net. Yeah, all right. I ain't using this first fish of the day. Yeah. Get that boy in here. Ugh. Yeah. Did you bring him on a boat, dude? Darn that slack current.
That's bullshit. Why are you?
Oh, he got a leash on him, yo. Ugh. What the hell is that thing? Get off my man. There we go.
That's dinner.
It's a nice fish.
Is it a lamb? I feel like it.
I don't know, they all just fat.
Why do you feel
Wish I could understand catfish.
That would be awesome.
Going over it now.
They like that stuff.
Alright, buddy. Damn.
You ain't eating them?
You want them? Is that what you want for dinner?
No.
You want to go out to eat or eat that fish?
I want to go. I think she's pregnant for some reason.
Hi, whore. Oh no, it's a girl. She's pregnant. It's a whore.
Alright.
Oh, my God.
Bro, you trying to reel fish in.
What is that? Oh. My mom.
Reel it in.
That
The dad's home.
is fucking dumb. Mushroom.
All that for that?
Yeah, Bobby. Are you serious?
Bro.
Lift up, son.
I want you to eat him. Can we eat him?
Hold on, buddy.
Oh, you got him.
Oh my God. Dude. Jesus Christ.
So I got another big one.
Dude, this one's huge.
That one big was gone.
Whew. There is dead weight.
Yeah, it's probably big. Ain't be taking with them.
I'm not fishing over here.
Yeah, bait pole. I mean, end pole. Hurry, real quick.
I hope it falls off.
You're right with the net. Ain't
Is it
that-
bigger than the other one? Dude, I'm suing.
Oh yeah. Oh my lord, that was nice.
Just open.
Hell yeah. I say we definitely move the boat to the calmer water.
Quick with that anchor.
Yup. Perfect.
Dad, we going anywhere?
That's what's up.
We had to. You have it went first.
Perfect. We definitely want that calmer water. Closer to that bank. Fish jumping.
Of course I got you, Dad.
There he goes.